I would like to talk about the new tools for great reports in RhinoGold 3.0. As you know, in RhinoGold we can analyze the weight of the metals and also the weight of the stones. Let me remember this tool, is GemInfo, automatically show us a tooltip with the stone size and also the weight. Okay, and also in Analyze we have options to analyze a set of stones or metals. We can select an object and select the metal. We was working strong the last weeks to improve that and create something different. Before to talk about the reports, I need to talk about the real-time render. As we have in RhinoGold 1 and in RhinoGold 2, here in this tab in the browser we have the real-time render. This render is really simple render. The objective is just to see and has a basic render to communicate to your customer or your colleagues. And now the most important thing is these materials has physical properties. Okay, it means that now RhinoGold, when you apply a yellow gold to an object, automatically knows what is the weight. Okay, because the material contains also the density and so on. Let me show you. Now in Jolie we have the icon report list, and we click here and automatically show us a report. Okay, in the first tab we have the list of stones. We have the quantity, the type, the size, the weight, the compound. Okay, this is a list created automatically. Okay, in the second tab we have the list of the metals. Here we have all the objects that we have in our document. In this case this object is called my ring, okay, and is yellow gold. And the weight is 15 grams, and the size, okay, the size is interesting if you are thinking to prototype this object, okay, then here you have a reference about the size. The third tab, I think it's really cool, because some users wants to know how many time they're investing to model a project. Okay, here automatically RhinoGold is saving when the user is modeling on the file. Okay, it means that the user don't need to start to record nothing, just design. When the user wants, automatically click here and see a calendar with all the hours that he invests to model that. This calendar is really interesting because we can have a daily view, a view per week, okay, per month, and also per year, okay, and also we can analyze the timeline. Okay, but let me show you that we can modify the time. Okay, we can edit, for example, we can reduce, we can add more modeling time. Okay, and other interesting thing is define the manufacturing process here. Okay, the blue is the design process, and we can add, for example, the prototyping and define in other color. All this text is possible to edit and so on. Okay, we will see in the future. And automatically the RhinoGold calculates how many time is investing in design and in manufacturing. Okay, I can add more days, okay, and so on. Now it's in Spanish because my Windows is in Spanish. Okay, and that's it. The last step is the final report. Here we can create a list of other tasks. For example, let me import the stones. Okay, here we have the quantity, okay, the weight, and we can define the price. Also we can do the same with the metals. Automatically get from the metal list, okay, all the values. We have one quantity of my ring and the material and the weight. One interesting thing too is we can analyze, we can see what is the current price of the gold in real time. We can, for example, we can click here, okay, and automatically show the last prices about the gold. We have several markets. We have markets of US, European market from Canada, China, South Africa, okay, Australia, India, and so on. Okay, and we, for example, we can click in European, and automatically we have the price of the gold, the silver, the platinum, and the palladium. Okay, and this is really interesting to calculate now. We know that the gold, the gram is 30.66. Okay, it means that we can calculate, for example, we can do by quantity, or we can say, okay, for 15 here, and the price per gram is 30.66. Okay, also we can add the time that we invest in the design. Okay, and we can add our rates here, for example 30. Okay, 30, and obviously we can modify any value. Here we have the total. Also we can add other fields. For example, I can directly add prototype cost. Okay, okay, it's completely, for example, 70. Okay, and also we can add a custom fields. For example, we can click here, we have some custom fields. We can adapt these fields here, okay, and add my own. One time we have that ready, we can save and export to Excel, for example, or we can print directly. Okay, and that's it. Here we have a full report with all our objects, the calendars and so on. Thank you.